Sunday, May 10th, 2026, sixth Sunday of Easter. Focus. Whoever has my commandments and keeps them, he it is who loves me. And he who loves me will be loved by my Father, and I will love him. Today's Gospel is the climax of Jesus' farewell discourse at the Last Supper. Jesus indicates covenant love as being the essential response for his disciples and promises them that they will not be left alone. Implicit in this solemn assurance is that intimate communion with the Trinity is something they can experience only as his disciples. Earlier, Jesus had told his disciples that they must love one another. Now, he calls for that special covenant love that is rewarded by his revealing himself to them. We hear echoes of the Shema, whereto this covenant love is expressed through obedience to God's commands. The thematic continuity between the Old and the New Testaments is thus clearly discernible. Jesus also prepares his disciples for the coming of the Holy Spirit. He reveals him as the Helper, the Spirit of truth. The Spirit will guide them in their witness of living the commandments. Keeping Christ's commandments is proof of our love for him. The life of the indwelling Father and the Son through the Holy Spirit is the blessing we receive in return. Fruit. I will show my fidelity to Jesus by keeping his commandments and so grow in the love and abiding presence of the Holy Trinity.